In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and get this app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. When your app is ready, open it, select Consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit this gear at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you want to. And if you wish to, hit presets. Then click on the best one for you, select yes, and adjust its settings. When you're ready, click on this X at the top right corner and those two lines at the bottom right corner. Finally, after tapping on Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes and tap on Set Wallpaper. Lastly, decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of those options. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!